Hey guys, it's me, Savannah. And welcome back to another video. So today I forgot to film an intro, and I got these glasses for Christmas and I think they are so funny. So I just felt like jumping on my bed and doing the intro that way, but I forgot. Well, okay, so for this video I have an intro, but it was super laggy and I couldn't fix it, so I refilmed it, and here I am now giving you my intro for the New Year's Eve vlog and New Year's Day, which was so fun. Sorry that this video is like really long. I don't know how to make it shorter and I am just trying to get it up, so sorry that it's a little bit bad, but I hope you'll enjoy anyways, and love y'all so much. Okay, enjoy. Okay, Memphis is lighting one now.
Straight up.
Like that?
Yeah.
Or no, Boston is. Oh, both of them are. Woo!
Straight up, son.
The smoke comes down. It's falling on me.
Memphis.
Woo!
Come to me, G. Oh, okay, I'll come to you. It's hard to film and light you guys.
Yeah. You just need to light one and then we can work from there. Mom, let me light yours.
Mine's just on fire. Oh gosh, I need to put it out.
No, you're fine.
Sarah, come over here. You can light yours on mine. Guys, get over here and light it on mine. Mom isn't lighting. Here.
Help mom light hers, buddy.
Here we go.
Okay. We have made fire. No, everyone. Walk
Happy New Year, Karen.
Everyone, get in the fire pit.
Happy New Year, Savannah. Happy New Year, boys.
Okay, so now we have the Irish Legend, which is another big firework display.
This is gonna be the
Has
best
30
one.
shots on it, so we're gonna light this
With
baby.
a 6-shot finale.
6-shot finale.
Whatever that means.
I think it said it on the tag at the store. I don't think it says on here.
I was gonna say, I don't see it either. Alright,
Anyways.
here's the fuse. Let's go light it. I'll film you.
I don't want to light
Wait,
it.
can I light it? Come on, Savannah.
Give it to
do
the,
for
you want to do it or give it to the
Can I
pyro head?
light
Which one?
it?
You can do it.
I kind of feel the need to do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Please, Savannah.
No, I can't. Did you already light one?
No. I did. No, I did. That was that.
He's so excited.
I don't think I've ever done it before.
If you don't want to do it, he can do it.
Okay.
Just set it down right here on this by this one, right next to it. Yeah, you can set it right next to it. That's
Like
fine.
this way?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
You ready?
Yeah. They don't
Okay,
really have
guys.
that kind of range.
Here we got Dad sitting here. Here we got Savannah lighting her Roman candle. It's gonna be great, guys. Yeah.
Dud. I was gonna say, I think you got a dud. You got a good one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Pooh! Happy New Year!
3, 2, 1,
What?
go. Go.
No, I didn't.
Go.
Why? I'm not gonna. Oh my God. Where are you going?
That's the extent of it.
Woo.
Boom. Yay! Oh, that was a fun little thing. Okay, guys, here we go. So much for the race.
How do I light it without the fire coming back on?
Savannah, use the other long one now because we don't need to race anymore.
Yeah, now that we
give
don't
it
go.
to me.
You
Give it to me.
can't even call it a race. It'd just be like, which one will go farther?
Yeah, which one
Inch or the half
squirts?
an inch?
Okay, here we go. Ready, Savannah?
All I can.
There he goes. Ready?
I can go an inch.
Yeah,
that
went far.
Wow, that's.
Come on, little tank.
I like it. I like that thing.
Ooh, that one shot a that one shot a burst.
I like that thing.
Okay, guys, so the next one we're gonna light is this laser candle with 240 shots. We don't really know what it does, but
Never had one before.
never had one before. I mean,
There's
we know what it does,
There's
but
the
we never got
fuses
it.
in there. Look at them all.
Yes, the
Food.
No.
Where are you
Whoa.
Tap it. Yeah, can I go put it?
Whoa.
Yeah, you gotta bury it in.
Wait, look, he's lighting it. Woo! Whoa, that's nice.
Look at that. Just use it like low.
I like it. I like this one.
This thing is what we like to call pop it off. Well, officer, here's your phone back.
Wait, why?
Keep recording it.
Oh, goodness.
That's the end.
What's he lighting down
These
there?
glasses are sick.
Okay.
It says
Does any
2022. Oh my gosh, this is so fun.
What is this? 200.
Okay guys, so we're gonna light up our last Roman candles. I think Boston has like the good one that gives like the good display. But it's fine. We'll do these last ones. I probably won't film it because I already filmed a couple clips of us doing them earlier. But yeah, we're gonna light these. And then I think that'll be it for our little firework display tonight. And yeah, woo! There are firework displays going all around like our area. We can hear them everywhere. People are lighting them all over, which is so fun to hear and so fun to see. We can see some of them. I just love watching the fireworks and listening to them. It's just like exciting, and I would just okay. We're gonna light these last ones, and then I'll let y'all know later what happens.
And you still have smoke bombs for the morning.
Okay. Dad dare me to jump in. So I'm gonna jump in. Okay, ready? 3, 2, stop. What?
Go!
Ready?
I mean, I would, but I don't really see the point.
Me neither.
Me either.
Good idea.
Oh my god! I actually did it! Oh my god!
Why? This is the way. Ryan.
I wish you had a towel,
No! I did it!
Why?
Okay guys, so it is a little bit later. I think it's around like 10:40. I showered and I have this cute little jumpsuit on that I got for Christmas. But we're now watching Shang-Chi, I think that's how you say it. Legend of the Ten Rings. I really don't remember the name now, which is really bad. But it's a really funny, cute movie so far. Recommend it. And yeah, that's really what we're doing right now. I worked on a couple like New Year's resolution type things, which is so fun to do. Like, I just love this little time of year, but super fun. We're all having a good time, and yeah. Okay guys, so we're still watching the movie, and there is actually 4 minutes left until the new year, which is crazy. Let me show you guys on my phone. You guys see that? Oh, 3 minutes till the new year, which is crazy. So we're still watching the movie. But yeah, like 3 minutes. But yeah, I fell asleep for about like 30 minutes, so I'll have to I'm so tired. I'll have to watch the parts I missed later, but 3 minutes, I'm probably gonna pull up like a video watching the New York ball drop, but yeah, super exciting. Guys, they're doing the countdown in New York. We have it on the TV right now. Actually, it is about to change to 12 right now on ours. Ooh, you're gonna miss it. Mom, it's the new year. It's the new year on ours. It's a little bit delayed in New York, but yay!
look that cold.
No masks.
Well, some people have masks.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo!
Oh, there's a baby.
Aww.
Well, Happy New Year, guys.
Okay, off the bed. I'm just kidding.
Dad's sleeping.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. We made it a whole nother year. That's fun.
Boston, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Santa.
Oh, guys.
It's sweet.
Happy New Year, guys.
Boston, look.
Okay, super fun. Clearly I don't have enough energy to really end off the night, but yeah, it is the new year. We're very excited. Hopefully it is a good year. I am excited.
What's your New Year's resolution?
New Year's resolution.
I don't know. I have a couple, probably. I don't know. I have a lot. Basic things. I really just have like basic things. I drink more water, read more. Those are really good too, but I have a lot more. Anyways, yeah, really excited. See y'all later. But yeah. Yay.
Hi guys, Happy New Year.
Hi guys, Happy New Year. It's
Happy
the next
New
day.
Year. The next day we're making pancakes and sausage.
Really
and I
yummy.
think we're gonna do the, apparently there's like a traditional New Year's Day dinner. Like black eyed peas, collard greens. I don't know. Comment down below if y'all know it.
Yeah, but next day we're making breakfast, pancakes and sausage, really yummy. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay guys, so we are currently at the New Year's Day football game. I think we've done this like 2 years ago maybe, or 3 years ago, I don't know. We did it before, and I think the, I'm gonna mess it up, so let me look it up. Or actually, I know it's the Kentucky Wildcats playing, and let's see, I think Iowa something. I really have to look it up, guys, but if I do find it, I'll let you know. But we're here, it's chaotic, we're trying to find, we're in this like really big area right now, where people are just like tailgating, having fun. There's food and stuff. Sometimes I wish I had like a fun outfit. I'm literally just wearing like a white t-shirt and blue shorts. We're going for the Wildcats today. We're not a fan of either team, but we're gonna root for them. So, woo, hope it goes good. And yeah. Okay, so I found out who's playing. It is the University of Kentucky Wildcats and then the Iowa Hawkeyes, I believe is what he said. Iowa Hawkeyes. That's who's playing, and yeah. Okay guys, it is so fun to see like the crowd explode and cheer, stand up and just
Cheers.
move. But yeah, nothing's going on. I think we're gonna take a couple more pictures.
Let me set it up.
Mom wants to do boomerang, but yeah. Okay guys, the stadium is huge. There are cheerleaders down there and over there for that side. Kentucky's over there. Iowa's mostly over here where we're sitting. Woo! Ooh, they're firing up the crowd.
For the Hawkeyes.
Guys, so we're now inside and it's super loud, but we got pizza here. I have some little chocolate bars that I got from the little free candy stand. Halftime is about in 3-ish minutes, so I want to try to eat up and get out there to watch halftime, but yeah, that's what's going on. I heard them say they're gonna do a contest of which side is the loudest. I think that's why it's really loud, but yeah, that's what's going on. And I wasn't even recording it, guys. It was literally insane. The crowd is exploding over there.
Wait, what happened?
Hey!
Wait, did they give it to him?
That's the kid that got it down there. The playmaker of the game. If they go to win, he's getting MVP. Hold on to the ball. Wow!
We got 19.
Wow!
Woo, that was intense. Woo, yes. Woo. Okay guys, so we currently have a fire going on right now, and we're lighting off a couple more fireworks. Boston's over there, and yeah, I think we were gonna do marshmallows, but I don't really know anymore because we have dinner soon, or just like some weeks. But
Beautiful night.
yeah, I'm ready.
So
He's about
ready,
to
brother.
light
Make
it.
it happen.
Run from it. There you go.
Ugh, watch this.
I don't think
camera
it makes
doesn't
bang.
focus. Oh, it's
that's
pretty. Ooh.
Ooh.
That was tight.
That was good. My camera wasn't focused the whole time, though.
Of course it wasn't.
It wasn't focusing.
Not to worry, we have another
But
one.
anyways,
Karen, you
yeah,
wanna light this
I'll
one?
get the other one.
The mermaid.
That one's called the mermaid? Oh yeah, I should definitely like that one.
It's
Here,
gotta
I
be
can-
you, man.
I can hold the camera. Wait, Savannah, wait. Here I come. You ready?
Is it focused?
Yeah.
Ready?
It won't.
Watch it!
Yay! Come on, mermaid.
Watch it.
See you in a moment, mama. Oh, it's a lovely smell. Okay, absolute favorite so far.
That scared me.
I like the
mermaid.
mermaid.
That-
You want it back?
B, you're the best. Thanks, B.
You're welcome.
So yeah, we're roasting some marshmallows. They look really yummy. And this, how are you gonna make yours? Burnt, golden, crispy?
Is there a difference between crispy and burnt?
Actually, I don't know. But yeah, we're making some s'mores. When the boys are done, I'll make mine. But yeah, it's going real good. There we go.
Yeah.
I am this
Oh, that one's pretty. Woo! That was a good one. That was pretty.
How else is gonna make it bigger?
These are so cute. Okay, he's lighting it.
Okay, get out of the way. Okay, that's enough.
Yay!
That one's crackling too.
Woo!
Ford fire. It looks like a blowtorch.
Yay!
Pop, 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 pop! Woo! Is that the last one of the night?
That was it.
Yeah! Woo! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Hey guys, so we showered, we had some wings, and now we're watching like a little New Year's movie. It's more of an older one. I forget the name right now. Dad, what is this movie called?
Rudolph's Shiny New Year.
Rudolph's Shiny New Year. So super cute. And yeah, we're gonna watch that right now and then I think head off to bed. So yeah. Okay guys, I cannot apologize more for how I look right now. I honestly don't even care. I don't care that I look like that. I mean, I do care, but I'm going to bed. So I'm currently about to go to bed and I wanted to end off our New Year's vlog. I had such a fun time, you know, watching the clock turn to the new year. New Year's resolutions, writing down goals. We did the football game today on the new day, or New Year's Day. We did fireworks, we roasted marshmallows, a lot of fun things. Now I'm ending off the night by doing a little bit of journaling and creating my journal for the new year, kind of customizing it myself because it's just a plain like line journal. So super fun. It is 10:40. I'm gonna try to go to bed a little bit. I'm gonna try to go to bed soon so I can get more sleep and wake up early, edit and stuff. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and turn on those post notifications so that you notify whenever I post new videos, and comment down below what you guys are doing for the new year and if you're excited. And yeah, one of my goals is to help grow my channel, so yeah guys, I don't know what else to say. Anyways, love y'all so much. Okay, bye bananas.